Planning to study at Utrecht University? Great! But beware, finding a room in Utrecht is difficult. Why? Unlike what you might be used to, Dutch universities don't own student housing. We reserve accommodation with housing providers, but this is limited. Most students find a room on their own, so you'll be competing with Dutch and international students. If you're not prepared, you could end up with no place to stay. Adventurous? Maybe, but mostly just very stressful. Okay, here's some tips. Start searching now, even if you haven't been admitted. It can take months to find a room. Use your network. Online platforms, social media, agencies. Put yourself out there. And if possible, arrive early. Tenants often look for roommates on social media and invite the candidates to group viewings. Skype is an option, but attending really helps. And don't be picky. Consider a temporary solution at first. Also, broaden your search. Holland is tiny, so surrounding towns are just a bike ride away. Rain, wind, or snow, Dutchie's bike. And finally, be persistent. Already responded to 10 ads. It's just the beginning. Don't be discouraged, just keep on trying. So, in a nutshell, be prepared, start early, and maximize your chances. If you have any questions, let us know. Check out uu.nl/housing for more tips and information.